Deep in the heart of Italy, where passion meets precision, lies the birthplace of automotive legends, Lamborghini. Today, we're granted exclusive access to witness the creation of a modern marvel, the Lamborghini Urus, the world's first super SUV. This imposing structure houses the intricate dance of human skill and cutting-edge technology that brings the Urus to life. Buckle up, gearheads, as we embark on a thrilling journey through the Lamborghini Urus production line. The journey begins with a meticulously crafted aluminum frame, the foundation upon which this automotive beast will be built. Skilled technicians, with years of experience and unwavering focus, meticulously assemble each component, ensuring the utmost precision and quality. Witness the symphony of activity as engines, meticulously engineered for power and performance, are carefully integrated into the chassis. Cutting-edge robotic arms assist with precision tasks, while human expertise takes over for intricate detailing. The Urus then moves through a series of painting booths, where a spectrum of colors, from the signature Lamborghini Rosso to a head-turning Verde Mantis, transforms the bare metal into a visual masterpiece. Each coat is applied with utmost care, ensuring a flawless finish. Inside the Urus, luxury takes center stage. The finest leathers and meticulously crafted details are meticulously stitched and installed, creating an opulent and sophisticated cabin that exudes Italian craftsmanship at its best. No detail escapes scrutiny. A team of eagle-eyed inspectors ensures every Urus meets Lamborghini's legendary standards for performance, fit, and finish. Only after passing these rigorous checks does the Urus emerge, a testament to human ingenuity and Italian automotive excellence. The symphony of the assembly line continues. Advanced diagnostic equipment meticulously analyzes each Urus, ensuring every component functions flawlessly. Suspension systems are calibrated for optimal handling, and the mighty engine undergoes a battery of tests to unleash its full potential. Here, human expertise blends seamlessly with cutting-edge technology, guaranteeing that every Urus delivers the heart-pounding performance and exhilarating driving experience synonymous with the Lamborghini name. The Urus has been unleashed. This magnificent creation, born from a fusion of passion and precision, is ready to conquer the road, leaving a trail of awe and admiration in its wake. So, what did you think? This exclusive glimpse inside the Lamborghini Urus production line showcased the extraordinary dedication that goes into crafting every single bull. The Urus is more than just a car. It's a rolling piece of Italian automotive art. And remember, gearheads, this is just a taste of the Lamborghini experience. Stay tuned for more exciting journeys into the world of high-performance automobiles.